Okay, next tayo ladies. Extra large po ha. Extra large, Sisico linen na linen, 580, napakaganda pa na to ha. 580, 580, working po ang botones, and then ang likod niya po, smacking, adjustable ang strap. Code ako dito ng Sisico, viscose yung tela po nito na linen blend. Code ako dito ng, pa-code po ako ng dahon. For only 580, 580. Code is dahon. Pa-code po ako ng dahon. 580, 580. Code is dahon. 580. This is extra large, large to XL. Smacking ang likod, 500. Tayo ladies, Diyos ko, napakaganda. Sisico, ang ganda, ala Marian Rivera. Sisico, this one, size small on tag, size small on tag for only 580. 580, 580. Code ako dito ng summer. Napakaganda ni summer. 580, 580. Code is summer. Ayan ha, mga Sisico reseller collection tayo. Napakaganda. Okay. Code ako dito ng summer. 580, 580. Code is summer ladies. 580. Code size large po ha. Size is large. Napakaganda for only 580. 580, 580. Napakaganda po ng kulay. Look at that. All about May ladies. Ayan, sa mga reseller natin, perfect. Get this one. Size large po ha. Code ako dito ng perfect. Code is perfect. 580. Australian brand to Sisico. This is all about May. Size large on tag. Code for this one is perfect. 580, 580. Size large on tag. Closer look niya po. Ganyang kaganda ng tela ha. Ganyan po. All about May. Size 12. That's size large on tag.